gonna get my exhaust fixed finally, because it's just too much stink. Turn on the AC, and we could probably die right now. Probably carbon monoxide coming in from every single airbag. So that's, we gotta fix the headers. If we had a welder, we could have done it ourselves, but I want to get a straight pipe too, because if you go on the oh, we didn't record that, right? Well, I cut the muffler off my car, so there's like a nasty cut right there, but I want to straight pipe it from there, so we're gonna go to the shop. Josh is not here today because he's sick.
I think it's allergy season, to be honest, right now.
Yeah, I have a cold too, but it wasn't as bad as he had, I guess.
I'm yet to get sick, so hopefully it doesn't happen. How much is it gonna cost?
The exhaust?
Yeah. Or straight pipe or everything.
Yeah. $80 or less.
$80 or less, so we're to save a few bucks.
Hopefully 60. That's my budget. If not, I might just dip.
Now we're just gonna dip.
Now we're just gonna put some tape on it. It's gonna melt, but hey, it's all about the budget. I mean, oh my god, bro. The Shelby. Oh my. I mean, that he's pointing at the Eagle right now, but there's a Shelby over there.
That looks so mean. I think that guy owns it. What are you saying? Shelby?
The Shelby over there.
Oh yeah. Cove. Little cove. No balls, you want pool. So, what did we do, Ali?
We just straight piped the car in the middle of nowhere, our garage.
Yup.
It's cheap metal pipe, but hey, I'm not trying to be a writer either, so it doesn't sound that raspy.
Yep. Sounds clean.
What the sounds better. 3, so 36. I don't know what we're gonna do now.
Didn't Josh say he was coming?
Yeah. His invitation is like 2 to 3 too. I don't know. We just go home and probably will be 3 by the time we go. 2. I mean, roll out. Woo. Yeah, I get it, girl. We have this homeless guy trying to open our door.
There's a homeless guy trying to open our door.
With the stingray hat.
Leave us alone. We don't want to give you money.
Here.
We're gonna give him quarters, throw quarters.
It stinks still. It sounds better, but it stinks.
It's thick.
What?
Because it's round. That one was way easier to cut.
Oh, the Don't cut yourself again.
I don't care.
Let me do one.
And the taillights and the windshield. Forget. Let's spell Saucy Motive with electric tape. God, that was loud. I'll record you guys from here.
Let's go, Josh. How to make a zombie apocalypse with it. Some Dead Rising type of shit.
What is that noise you're making? Look at the, oh my god, bro. My stepdad used to have one of these.
God damn. It used to be manual, bro. Oh, wait. Gotta get the bitches. Hey, let me holla at you.
Let me all at you.
Hey, yo, man, fuck you.
Drive by.
Drive by. Hey, yo, man, fuck you.
No. You have the gun over here. Oh, wait, hold on, man. No, wait.
How does it drive?
Fuck him. Hey, look, drop. Oh, you fucking bastard.
Fucking mess.
Cut me off back there. Back in mirror.